Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Today in this video we are going to learn some slang words. The slang words has some specialty. They are very trending and kind of very new generation slang words. So don't go anywhere. Stay with me. Let's get started. The first word I'm going to discuss is taper. Taper, which slang meaning is cheating or ditching. The literal meaning of tape is ironing, ironing as in ironing of clothes, or leveling something with a weight, as in masonry when they level cement or concrete. So those stuffs are usually called taper, that is the literal meaning, but this is the slang word for cheating or ditching. And this has turned out to be a very sexist usage, usually targeting women. So, and this has become a very trendy word. Like in a couple of years, like 1 or 2 years, this has been used in many films, and now all the new generation, I won't say new generation, all Malayalis is using these words. In rarity, it is also used as to say about the general cheating or something of that kind, but still it is kind of targeting women who usually ditch the men after being in a relationship with them. So, which I don't have very much opinion about, because I think this is a character which you cannot say like, hey, this belongs to all women and the other thing belongs to men. No, it will be that can be a trait with both men and women. That is my opinion about it, but that's just me. So if you are in Kerala, you will probably hear this word used by most of the Malayalis. So taper means cheating or ditching. The next one is ola. Ola, which means useless or stupid. And definitely this is a derogatory word, so please be mindful when you use it. If someone says like poda ole, it means go away useless. Poda ole, go away useless, or go away stupid. That's the meaning. So if you are in Kerala, you can either manage not to be called by this word, or you can use it whenever required. Um, so before going to the next slide, I want to say this. If you want to learn Malayalam in a very funny manner and like the real Malayalam which Malayali speak, please subscribe to this channel. There is no other channel in YouTube where you can learn Malayalam in this manner. So please subscribe. Next word is tolvi. Tolvi. Tolvi means failure. Failure. So the literal meaning is also failure. But when you say like you are a like നീ ഒരു തോൽവിയാണ്, if someone says like that, it means you are such a failure. Another word used in similar context is durandam. So tolvi and durandam means the literal meaning is tragedy, but it as a slang it converts to failure itself. So both means such a failure. So for example, if someone says avan oru tolviya, or if someone says avan oru durandama, if it is said, it means he is such a failure. Okay. Chali means the literal meaning is mud. Chali, and the slang word chali means poor joke. Usually when in our friend circle, if someone cracks a poor joke, we says in the chaliada, what a poor joke, man. In the chaliada, what a poor joke, man. So that is the meaning of chali, poor joke. And this one, post akuga. Post akuga means make someone wait for a long time. And the past tense is like post aki. Post aki. So these are all are like very new generation words. This word post akuga, to be honest, I have never said in my whole life this word. I had to actually Google to see what actually this is meaning. So when you watch films and when you talk with people, you really need these slang words. I hope you learned a lot from this video. So please hit on that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. And we'll see in next video. Nani for watching. Namaskaram.